Well, the Elmira River Sharks now look to break a 6-game losing streak. And at the same time, we're learning more about how many tax dollars are being poured into the so-called Shark Tank in downtown Elmira. Our 18 News reporter Nick Dubina has a breakdown.
The Elmira River Sharks are looking to improve their 3-7 record this weekend. They're on the road Friday in Binghamton and back here at the First Arena on Saturday. Now we're getting our first look at how much tax money is being spent to give the First Arena another shot at success. On October 13th, 18 News submitted a Freedom of Information request for the total amount of tax dollars invested into the First Arena so far. It's now run by the Chemung County Industrial Development Agency. The IDA is a government-funded agency. We wanted to know how much tax money the IDA is spending since it took over control of the facility last May. This came after it evicted Mammoth Sports and Entertainment. 4 days after our first request, Chemung County denied the request, saying, quote, "A proper search has been conducted for the records requested and they cannot be found." After filing an appeal, the IDA provided these answers. Public records show a breakdown of spending on the First Arena from May 26th through September 30th. It includes nearly $150,000 in utilities, most of it for NYSEG. After evicting Steve Donner, the CEO of Mammoth Sports and Entertainment, the county accused Donner of not paying more than $250,000 in utility bills. The IDA says it spent nearly $100,000 in repairs and maintenance.
23 years of abuse is being taken care of.
The biggest price tag is more than $35,000 for maintaining the ice plant. That's the machine that makes ice for the rink. It later broke down. Records show more than $37,000 was spent on rent for a temporary unit. More than $13,000 was spent on new boards and kick plates. That's the material below the clear glass around the rink. Records show another $75,000 was spent to turn the former secondary rink into a turf field. Nearly $35,000 was spent on a used 2012 Zamboni. A new popcorn machine cost nearly $10,000. Records also show the First Arena has received more than $875,000 from the American Rescue Plan. All told, at least $1.2 million in tax dollars has been poured into the so-called Shark Tank so far. In October, the IDA adopted its 2024 budget proposal before going behind closed doors to discuss the arena's finances.
I have total revenues at $1,994,179, and as far as expenses, I have the same amount of total expenses at $1,994,179, therefore balancing the IDA budget.
Chad, is there anything?
I think that there's an item on the arena that we need to speak about.
Okay, we'll wait until we get to that section, and then we'll come back and we'll vote on the budget. Okay, we need to go into some further discussion on additional business on the arena. I'd like to suggest we go into executive session at this point to discuss financial information on the organization.
At a meeting on November 9th, the IDA said it was losing money because of the arena.
Total income for the month of October, around $73,000. Total expense, $257,000. 210-ish of that is arena related, for a operating loss of $184,000. Aside from the arena, obviously, this would have turned a slight profit.
The New York State Freedom of Information law allows government agencies to go into private meetings called executive sessions, but only for a few specific reasons. We asked the IDA about the specific reason it went into an executive session to discuss the arena financials. We also asked the IDA for updated numbers on concessions and ticket sales. So far, attendance is averaging at 1,100 fans a game. That's about 30% of the arena's capacity. We posted all of the public records on our website. That's mytwintiers.com. In downtown Elmira, I'm Nick Dubina, 18 News.